So it is official. The best, worst, non-secret secret in the industry has been confirmed. That Eli Tomac is going to Star Racing Yamaha, the 450 factory team. And he will be riding for them for at least next season. I don't know. Who knows the actual dealings of the deal, how long it is, how much money, who knows, whatever. But it's actually official now. Back in May, everyone, Kawasaki did say straight up that Eli Tomac was not going to be returning for the 2022 season, so that wasn't a big surprise that obviously he's not staying with them. And apparently it was a pretty mutual or agreeable or amenable, whatever you want to call it, thing where they gave him the choice to come back, or he got a deal option. He decided to not take it and wanted to move on to Yamaha for the prospect of having a performance, a higher performing bike, or however you want to put it. He wanted to ride that bike. Obviously showing that Ferrandis just winning the 450 title, doing well in Supercross, it's not going to be a bad option for him. But back when this broke, probably back in May, I want to say May 5th, May 4th, May 5th, I have a video posted on my channel saying Tomac To Yamaha, and the responses I got to that for people being mad about, oh, it's just a rumor, you can't say anything about it yet, blah, 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 blah. Well, guess what? It's true. Deal with it. I'm going to link that video in the description and probably the card at the beginning too, so if you want to watch that, go back in the past and see how, it was just a rumor then, but, it was probably pretty serious, but I think it's pretty cool. You got, obviously, he brings a lot of experience. He brings 3 outdoors championships and 1 Supercross championship. There, words. So that's, it's awesome. Especially for Yamaha showing that they can be fast, having a champion already, and now you've got a seasoned veteran champion, one of the fastest guys in the whole series, now onto the bike, onto the Blue Crew. It works out well for him too, because it's Star Racing. It's not Monster Energy Yamaha anymore, is it? Yeah, I'm assuming he probably still keeps most of his sponsors and everything. I highly doubt that he's going to have to change all that, but especially being that it's Star Racing and not an energy drink company, so he probably keeps Monster and whoever else he's got, whatever. I think it'll be great. I think he's going to do fine. Obviously, he's going to be fast like he always is. The thing is, who knows? I think it's going to be cool. Tell me in the comments down below, do you think he's going to be fast? Are you excited for this? Do you care about this? Do you wish he went to a different team? Whatever it is you want to comment. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.